The lungs are divided into areas called lobes. The right lung has 3 lobes, while the left lung has 2. The left lung is smaller to accommodate the space taken up by the heart. Air enters the lungs through the trachea, which splits into airways called bronchi. These bronchi continue to divide into smaller airways, eventually leading to tiny air sacs known as alveoli. The walls of the alveoli are lined with a dense network of small blood vessels. The thin barrier between the air and blood vessels allows oxygen from the air to move into the bloodstream. As your body cells function, they produce carbon dioxide, a waste product that is transported into the bloodstream. Your lungs remove this waste gas when you exhale. The oxygen-rich blood then flows from the lungs to the heart. Specifically, it enters the left atrium through the pulmonary veins. From there, the mitral valve opens to send blood into the left ventricle. When the left ventricle is full, it contracts, causing the aortic valve to open. The heart pumps blood into the aorta, which then delivers it to the rest of the body. Throughout the body, a network of tiny blood vessels called capillaries connects small arteries to small veins. These capillaries have very thin walls, allowing oxygen and nutrients to pass into the cells, while waste products move into the capillaries. The deoxygenated blood then flows into veins, which carry it back to the right side of the heart. From there, the blood is pumped to the lungs to receive fresh oxygen, and the cycle begins again. Thank you for watching. Your support means the world to me. Don't miss out. Be sure to check out my next video for even more exciting content. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected. See you there.